How to turn off the MPEG noise reduction on your Devant Smart TV. And okay guys, you'll have to do is on your remote, press the menu button and go to settings. In settings, go to picture. In picture, go to feature mode settings. And now you can adjust the display settings for each feature mode. Okay, go to picture mode settings and you'll have to do is scroll down to see the MPEG noise reduction. The MPEG noise reduction is set into medium. And the MPEG noise reduction reduce MPEG block noise to provide clearer edge transition. And okay, you'll have to do is go to MPEG noise reduction. And now you can see the option here. Okay, you can set the MPEG noise reduction into low, medium, or high. And also you can turn off this by selecting the off to turn off the MPEG noise reduction. And that's it. Okay, thank you for watching.